Hello, I'd like to welcome you to Senior Math this year. You guys have this block 4. Um, and Senior Math is a little different type of course than the prior math courses you've had. Unless some of you were in independent math, and as I look over the class list, some of you have that. We will be using, it'll be totally online, self-paced. We'll be using what's Alex, ALEKS.com. You will be getting, we have purchased your seats. We will be getting logins and passwords for it. Basically, what we do in senior math is it's kind of a review of your high school math, which is Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. We put you in the Algebra 2 Trig library. Within that, there are many different libraries within ALEKS that students can be placed in. But for senior math, we place you in there. And you'll be working on topics, mastery every day. You'll take weekly assessments. I'll get into the details of those here in a little bit. But you come, it's totally self-paced. Weekly, so with our hybrid model that we're going to be doing, okay, obviously school days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday is kind of a remediation day, get help day, and things like that. So what we're going to do for senior math is you are going to work on your topics, and we'll talk about this. We are also using Google Classroom. I did send that out. You should see that, and some of this info is on there as well, but I'm putting it in the video. But we'll be using Google Classroom, and you'll be working on topics each day within ALEKS once you get logged in the first day of class. And we're going to kind of set a 4 to 5 topics per day mastery within there, which means anywhere from 16 to 20 for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday class days. And then you will be I'll be setting up weekly assessments that will open on Thursday at 3 o'clock, close at midnight the following day on Friday night, and you will have to take those then outside of class. Okay. This class is a pass-fail class. You just have to show continued growth and mastery of the curriculum in the library that you've known. And we'll go into more of these details as we start class next week. But I just wanted to welcome you to class. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me.